get started with Canva, you'll want to go to canva.com and then select Login. Continue with your Google account. Select your @valleyview.org Google account. If this is your first time logging in, it may ask you some questions about whether or not you're a teacher or a student. Just click your way through that. Hopefully you will see that you are part of the Valley View School District and it shows 1,175 users. Once you have another team, that's what they'd seem to call a class, you'll be able to toggle to those classes. To create a new class, it's sort of an odd process. You go to the gear icon, and there are no classes yet. There are some groups that have already been created. To create a new class, you would go to Billing and Plans, which seems like a horrible user interface. No one would think to going there. And create a new class. Now you can see that I'm in the first hour Hogan class. There is no classwork yet. I don't have any templates. And if I click on projects, I don't have any projects. If someone has shared a project with you from this class, it would show up here. Now that we've got a class created, let's go ahead and invite some students. I'm in my first hour class. I will click Invite Members. If I select Invite via Google Classroom, I am then given the option to import from Google Classroom. I'm going to give it permission to see these things. Select the class and then import. It looks at your roster from that Google Classroom and it will then send invitations. I'm now looking at the account of a student who is in that Google Classroom, and I will check their Gmail. And I can click Join the Class. Students will want to select Continue with Google and then select their account. Any designs that have been shared with them by the teacher or possibly other students could be found here. I'm back in the teacher view and I'm going to create an assignment for my students to use Google Classroom and Canva together. It is due the 26th, and it's in that topic. Now I will go to my student account, and you can see that the assignment has appeared. One way you can get started is to choose the type of template or product that you will want them to make. I'm just going to go with an infographic. We will call this the binge streaming one pager because I want students to explain to me why binge streaming is the best thing to do. Now I click share and Google Classroom. I will select the class that I want it to go to, and then I will create an assignment. So we just created an assignment for our students from Canva and posted it in Google Classroom. Let's take a look at what the students would see from their end. If they go to that assignment and click on the link, they would click Use Template. It would be a good idea to instruct your students about the naming conventions for this one pager. Once they are done, they can send this to the teacher. Things that students make in Canva don't automatically appear in Google Classroom in the assignment area. If you want to see them there, when students are in Canva, they will need to click on Share and then Download. Even though this has motion in it, they can just save it as a PDF and they will download it to their Chromebook in the Downloads area or to a specific folder in Google Drive, and then they would go to their classes. Then click Add or Create, and they can go to Google Drive or find a file and then click Turn In. And then when you as the teacher look in the assignment area, you will see that for the student and can easily give it a grade in Google Classroom.